Lack of nutrition can cause your hair to fall out. Excessive amounts of sugary, fatty foods can cause your hair to fall out. After using this home remedy, you'll instantly notice your hair grow. Fast, take 1 banana's mask in a bowl. Bananas contain silica, a mineral element that helps your body to synthesize collagen and may make your hair stronger and thicker. Bananas also have antimicrobial properties that can heal flaky and dry scalp, relieving dandruff symptoms. Take 1 egg in a bowl and mix well. Eggs are a nutrient-rich hair superfood. Vitamins A and E, biotin, and folate are just some of the nutrients found in eggs that are said to help keep hair thick and healthy. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps in the production of collagen and boosts hair growth. It also stimulates hair follicles, which encourages hair growth and can aid in controlling hair loss. Add 2 tablespoons raw milk. The vitamins and proteins like casein protein help nourish, strengthen and moisturize your hair particles. In addition, the high protein and fat content in raw milk facilitate the growth hormones in your hair follicles, stopping hair loss. Mix well. At fast, comb your hair properly. Then divide your hair in small sections and apply this mixture and leave 1 hour. After 1 hour, wash it with shampoo. This remedy is best for hair growing and reduces hair loss, make your hair thicker and longer naturally. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.